Hello student, in this video you are knowing about development of monocot embryo. Last video we are discussed about development of dicot embryo. So a typical in this video development of monocot embryo. A typical monocotyledonous embryo develop is noticed in loose lap plant. It belongs to the family Gentiaceae. The development of monocot embryo has following steps. Let's see one by one. The first step is the zygote is enlarges in size and it undergoes a transfer division to produce two unucal cells. The small microapical cell is called apical cell. You can see Ca. You can mention Ca. And large colossal cells is called basal cell. That is, you may mention Cb. These two cell stage is known as two-celled pro-embryo stage. The apical cell is also called embryonal cells. It develop into the embryo proper, such as shoot system and root system. The basal cells is also called suspensor cells. It develop into the suspensor, ostomium and root cap. The second step that the apical cells of the proembryo divides vertically to form two cells. The basal cell of the proembryo undergoes divides to form two cells. They are M cell, Ci cell. At this stage, the embryo consists of four cells arranged in the form of T. So this stage is known as T-shaped proembryo stage. The two cells formed from the apical cell undergo another vertical division perpendicular to the first vertical division to form four cells. This stage is known as quadrant stage. Fourth stage, the cells of the quadrants divide to form mass of cell. The mass of cells become differentiated into two portions, that is L and L1. The cells of L divide and give rise to the upper part of the cotyledon. The cells of L1 divide further and give rise to the basal part of the cotyledons, radicle and plumule. The cells of M undergo vertical division. The cells Ci undergoes transverse divide to form two cells, namely N and N1. The cells of M divide and give rise to a part of the root and peribellum. The N cell further divides and give rise to the remaining part of the root cap. The cells of N1 further divide transversely and to form suspensor. The suspensor pushes the embryo down into the endosperm. It is ostomial in function. The embryo of Lousla represent is the simplest type of the embryo in monocotyledon. The embryo consists of median embryonal axis. The embryonal axis bears a single terminal cotyledons and lateral plumule. The another end of the axis bears the radicle covered by root cap. The embryo remains state. This is about the development of monocot embryo. Now I wish to say that difference between dicot embryo and monocot embryo. In dicot embryo develops in dicot plants. In monocot embryo develops in monocot plants. It is curved stage. It is straight. In dicot it is curved. In monocot it is straight. In dicot embryo it is two cotyledons. In the case of monocot it is a one cotyledon. In dicot embryo the cotyledons are lateral. In case of monocot the cotyledon is terminal. In the case of dicot embryo plumule is terminal. In monocot plumule is lateral. In dicot the suspensor is long. In monocot suspensor is short. This is about comparison of dicot monocot embryo. Thank you.